I would like to share a very unique milk cake recipe called Raffaello Milk Cake. It's also known as Raffaello Tres Leches Cake. This is very exclusive to my channel. I begin by making a sponge cake. For sponge cake you need cake batter, self-raising flour, sugar, dried coconut, milk, eggs and vanilla extract. For the measurement, check my description box below. Place the all butter and sugar in a bowl and mix it until it's very soft and fluffy. You can also use hand mixer if you want. Now add 4 room temperature eggs in the butter mixture, one at a time. When butter and all eggs are well mixed, then add self-raising flour. This is sifting self-raising flour, and with self-raising flour I already added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all ingredients together until it's really well combined. Now add full fat milk and mix it with butter mixture. Now add vanilla extract and dried coconut and mix it with butter mixture until it's really well combined. Here, as you can see, for this Raffaello milk cake I used desiccated coconut. My cake batter is ready to go in the oven, so I'm going to place this butter in the baking tray, and I'm going to put this in the oven for 180 degrees gas for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm using 8-inch baking tray and using a non-stick baking paper. At the same time, I am going to toast some desiccated coconut. I'm going to put this in the oven just for 30 to 40 seconds. Try not to over toast, otherwise you will lose the coconut taste. Now I'm going to make tres leches, which is 3 milks, but I'm going to add coconut milk as well. So for Raffaello Tres Leches, you need sweet condensed milk, coconut milk, evaporated milk, and full fat milk. Now pour all liquid ingredients in a jar or a teapot and then give it a good stir. For my all liquid ingredients measurement, please check my description box below. Having removed the cake from the oven, I transferred the cake on a plate in order to remove the baking paper. Now I'm going to return the cake onto the baking tray so I can pour the milk. Now I'm using a fork to poke the cake so the cake can absorb the milk. Now I am pouring the milk mixture all over the cake. Now I am going to place this in the fridge for overnight. Now I would like to decorate the cake with the whipped cream. So I'm going to cut this cake in the middle just to make it 2 slices. Now I am decorating the cake by sprinkling some toasted coconut. I have cut some Raffaello chocolates in 2 pieces and I'm going to put this on the top of the cake. That's it, my Raffaello milk cake recipe is ready to serve. Please refer to the description box below for further information. And please do let me know if you have any suggestions for recipes, desserts or content. Thank you. See you again. Bye.